Hi, my name is Billy, and today we're going to learn about adding fractions with different denominators by using the LCD, or the least common denominator. So, the LCD is basically the least common multiple, the LCM, of the two denominators. So here's an example. Let's do 3/8 plus 1/3. Now, obviously these two have different denominators, 8 and 3. So we'll try to find the LCM of these two numbers, or the LCD of these two fractions. So the LCD, or the LCM, of 8 and 3 is 24. So 8 goes into 24 3 times. So we multiply 3 by the denominator and the numerator. And then 3 goes into 24 8 times. So we multiply 8 by the numerator and the denominator also. So 3 times 3 is 9 over 8 times 3 is 24. Then we add 8 times 1 is 8 over 8 times 3, which is 24. Now, when you're adding denominators, you don't really add them together. You just keep one of the denominators. So we'll just do 24, and 9 plus 8 equals 17. And so since that's in the lowest terms, the answer is 17/24. Thank you for listening.
I've met Eric Marcos years ago, and I've worked with him and his students, so I'm a little slightly biased here, but I've seen their work, and I know that students who are designing math tutorials, who are making a contribution to the whole class, will actually work harder than if they're just handing in homework to be graded. And in fact, I hope one of the things you're going to hear is that students who design tutorials really have to learn the material. In order to teach it, you really have to learn it. And so with that as an introduction, I am honored to bring on Eric Marcos and his students. Yay!
Thank you. Well, thank you very much. Thank you, Alan. And thank you, everybody, who are here and who are out there somewhere. And, of course, Intel and Google and YouTube and Catalyst. So we have some students here, if you can tell. Some of them are former students of mine, and some of them are, well, actually, they're all former students of mine. So if just a quick little introduction, just say your name, and then we'll jump right in.
I'm Camilla. My name's Tiana.
Hi, I'm Aleya.
I'm Nova.
Andrea.
I'm Andrew.
So, we make math videos by using a microphone, a tablet PC, and Camtasia Studios. It's a great program.
But if you're on a budget, there are other alternatives to the tablet PC, like a Wacom tablet. With a Wacom tablet, it's basically like a tracking pad that you can write on, that you can hook up to any computer, and you can download a free software called Jing. For example, I didn't have Camtasia Studio or a tablet PC, but I had a Wacom tablet, so I plugged in my Wacom tablet, downloaded Jing, and made a video for my friend in Argentina who was confused about a chemistry problem. I emailed it to her, she got it, and she understood the topic.
Hi, it's Bob.
And Paul again, and we're back in action.
So, the first thing we're going to do is round a decimal.
We're going to round the number 1.856.
My name is Eric Marcos, and I work at Lincoln Middle School in Santa Monica, California. I teach mathematics to 6th graders, and I love it. And so, about 4 or 5 years ago or so, this girl, Paul, which is not her real name, by the way, she sent me a message. She said, "Mr. Marcos, I don't understand how to do this problem." So I had this software program, and I said, all right, I'm gonna try to show her how to do the problem.
And then he was like, well,
let me just whip up a video, and then he put it on and like instantly understood the video.
And then he started making videos and posting them on his website. He was talking about his videos, and I was doing the homework, and I said, hey, Mr. Marcos, can I like try making a video?
She started it off and it was brilliant. The first like words out of her mouth was something like,
Hello, my name is Bob. I'm going to read you this problem and show you how to do it.
this is all, again, unscripted. Okay, she was not reading a script. She was not reading notes about how to do this or what to say. I did not coach her. I would love to take credit.
Photo to 2 inches, and this is...
And the kids teaching kids aspect comes out of this more so because the other kids in the class were watching and they jumped on that.
Hi, this is
Phineas.
and Ferb, and today we're going to show you how to solve a proportion.
Today we're going to teach you how to do probability, how to do lattice multiplication.
Gonna teach you how to evaluate algebraic expressions.
I think kids like learning from other kids because there's like almost a kid language, and it's just easier to understand things when you hear it from someone who's learned everything the way you have.
And also there's like multiple ways to solve a problem. And a lot of times the teacher like will be taught by the students because the teacher will like learn one way to teach it, and they'll know like one way to solve a problem, and the kid will come back and realize, oh, you can solve it this way, and then it benefits them too because then they can teach it multiple ways the next year. My name's Aleya Spielman.
I'm Tiana Catletta.
My name is Camilla Spielman.
I am a student.
A teacher.
I am a cheerleader.
I'm a water polo player.
And I love Camtasia Studio. And we
We
are
are
out!